In this tutorial, I will show you how to download a video in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, open the video design you want to download or click Create a Design and choose Video to start a new project. After the editor opens, add or edit your video on the canvas. You can insert videos from the Elements tab or upload your own video from the Uploads tab. Adjust the video if needed by trimming it, resizing it, or adding text and other elements. Once your video is ready, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the menu that appears, click Download. In the file type options, select MP4 video. Then click Download again and Canva will process your video and save it to your device. That is how you download a video in Canva.